Good morning, everybody. Well, whatever time it is you're watching this video, welcome back to another episode of The Seasons. I'm running a little behind this morning, but that's okay. We're on vacation with the fam, so I mean, I just totally clipped that curve back there. It did not look good. On vacation with the fam, so not in a huge hurry this morning. Got in here kind of late last night, so still got to Google where I'm going. So we're in Tyler, Texas. I'm going to Lake Palestine. I don't know anything about the lake. Never been there. Know nothing about it. So this should be interesting. We don't even know where to run. We hope we can get it sorted out this morning. So stick with us. It's gonna be good. Well, we've launched, and I would venture to say I'm in an okay spot. I chose the east side of the lake, a marina over here on the east side of the lake, north of this 155 bridge. And that's because there's supposed to be a predominant east wind today, but I see Three Nails Guide Service up there, parked. And those guys, I follow them on a Facebook page, and they fish out here a lot. And they kill the fish, so, I mean, that's always a good sign when you're launched at the same ramp as the guide, so. There you come. All right, folks, so you're about to see me get really angry. It's the first fish I hooked up with, best fish of the trip, and I lost it. But what I did is I jumped out here on this main river channel, used my maps off my active captain to find it, and then just started looking for structure off the edge of that main river channel. That's how I started fishing. But yeah, I had to let the audio go on this part. Way too much cuss words. I got him. Come on in here, baby. That is all right, we're definitely getting the net out. For whatever reason, they're not hanging on to it. But they are biting it. They are biting it. That first fish was a freaking monster. I mean, dude. We ain't doing that no more. Not on my watch. I got him. Where's my net? About time. Good God. Not even no mondo, but goddamn, we caught one. Dude. Well, he wasn't coming off. Oh, well, yeah, maybe he was. Hell is my bait? Oh. That's wild. Well, numero uno. Let's take a look at our first Lake Palestine fish. It's not a bad little fish. Not a giant. It's nothing like the one we had come off. That's for damn sure. I want that one off the top if he'll bite it. He hit it on the drop. That'll work. That'll work. Come on, fish. All right. All right. Let's see. Oh, yeah. He saw it. Come on out of there. Now that's a good one. Nothing like the first one, but he's a good one. I know I'm being kind of quiet here, folks, but like I said, I got some people around me, so. He got it. Come on, come on. He looked like a giant on the screen. Look at that. That's not what we're after. He'll keep though. Oh, he come off there and got it. Fish are feisty. I got him. I don't know how big it is, but I got him. All right, well, let's recap here. Sorry I was being real quiet. I have people around me. I'm just trying to get this place figured out. I'm gonna get better with my footage here. For about 3 hours, I think, maybe 2.5, 3 hours of fishing, we ended up with a pretty decent little mess. I think we got something figured out. The fish, I don't know, they just look different on the screen here to me. I don't know what the deal is. I'm gonna play with my settings. I don't know, but at any rate, we're hungry. We got to get the girls. We need to clean some fish. We got some nice ones in the box. So stay tuned. We're gonna walk up and on to the next episode here. Let's see what we got. Fun times. Well, folks, we're back out on the water for the afternoon. Still having issues with my automatic calibration. Anyway, we're gonna try to get us back to the edge of this creek and get on some of this structure and get back into the wind and work it back that way and see what we can do. There he is. He come off there and got it though. He ain't a very big one. Well, not a bad sign to get started. That was the biggest mark on the screen. Maybe I need to turn my gain down a little bit. Get back out there, little guy. Let's try 68. I told y'all we were gonna play with the gain a little bit. No, you ain't even gonna look at it, huh? Oh yeah, he got it. He got it. I think that's a good one there. Yeah, so if I'd have been better on the net, I'd have caught this fish. But the reason that I lost this fish, and I didn't explain it very well here, is I'm using a loop knot with braid, and the jig heads, I'm using the bonehead tackle jig heads, they have a gap. And I try to close it up with pliers, and it's just not enough. I lost quite a few fish because of this until I finally said, all right, I'm not using those jig heads anymore. So, especially on this trip. I might get some super glue and see if I can close up the gap and fix it that way. But that's what happened right here. Oh, man. Man, oh, man. That's beyond frustrating is what that is. I don't really know how else to explain that. I really don't know how else to explain that. You know, I thought about something earlier. I think it's the difference in the... I'm looking at predominantly white crappie here. He got it. We're not gonna make the same mistake about not getting our net out on this guy. Come on, baby. Come on. Whoop, 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 whoop. I can't see you. Can't see you. Where you at? You can tell I'm not used to netting. Used to swinging them in the boat, babe. Used to swinging them in the boat. But these white crappie just have a longer look. Well, they look a lot more like a goo. What's going on here? This is why I don't like netting. And that fish wasn't coming off there either. Okay. Let's get this sorted out here. You got pliers, Joe. Use them. Hey, that's fun. Hey, 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 hey. Hey there. That's fun. Alright, let's get this mess out. I'll save y'all this. And we're rocking. And we're rolling. And we're rocking. Let me show you what I'm working with. That's what I got. So I'm trying to get something small. I'm missing so many fish. I mean, they're just nipping it. So many fish. And that's why I don't think really minnows would help either. They're just gonna come up there and suck the tail, you know, when they're like this. And that's just, it's indicative of a summertime pattern, and it's also indicative of fish that get some pressure, really. If you want me to be honest with you, that's there's a lot of fish in this little pile. I can't really tell how big they are. And that's been the norm for out here so far. Of course, another problem is the presentation. I mean, it's like, boy. Oh boy. I don't know if that's a crappie. No, it's not. He knocked my whatchamacallit off. And he messed up my spot. Boy, he liked the bait. I don't think all those fish are good. That's just me. I aim to drop it down there one more time. He hit it when it got down there. Oh, that's a big crappie. That's a big crappie. Oh, don't come off. Don't come off. Ah. Well, he ain't no giant like I thought he was, but that's what we're looking for. Once we ain't got a net. Tell me I'm still recording. That worked out. Trying to. That worked out. He fought like a big crappie anyway, folks. Oh, he come and got it. Another decent one. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Tell you what, these crappie here are good at throwing a hook. I ain't never seen a group of crappie that can throw a dadgum hook like these. But now we're starting to do something. Now we're starting to do something. I got a mess in front of the boat as usual. Hell, let's see if we can fool 3 off one pile. What y'all think? He come and got it. That feels like a good fish. Oh, and that's why, because it's a Gasper goo. Alright, we're finna get away from these damn goos. Get out of my boat, Gasper goo. Out of my boat, son. Out. Get out here, Gasper goo. Be a crappie. Be a crappie. Yes. Now we're getting somewhere, folks. Now we're getting somewhere, folks. Tell you what, these little jokers got some spunk. Much as I talk about the bonehead heads for coming out of the braid, out of that loop in the head, the dadgum baits are tougher than nails. He come and got it. That's a crappie too. Oh yeah. He come and got it. I knew that was a good one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Tighten up your drag, Joe. Oh yeah. Ooh, she bad. Yeah, she bad. Yeah, she bad. We'll take it. We will take that. Let's go find another one before we run out of daylight. Come on. Lake Palestine. If I could ever get my crap together, I think the lake would get its crap together too. Oh yeah, he come off there and got it. Let's turn it on now. Let's turn it on now. He barely gonna make it, but we're gonna let him make it. Oh shit, he left. He got it. Well, I've missed some fish today. I mean, I've never let so many fish go, I think, in the history of me fishing. I met Miss Teresa down here at the cleaning table at Lake Palestine. She cleaned some catfish and she gonna take care of these crappie for me.
Sure will.
Thank you, Miss Teresa.
You're so welcome.